All right. So the other thing that we're going to be writing in the next few weeks is the annotated bibliography. So annotated, that just means essentially that you've commented upon it. And a bibliography, that's just a works cited. So like our other assignments, our other essay assignments, this is going to be about 3 pages, so 750 words. And the idea is that you're going to have 5 sources, 5 citations, and 5 summaries. So let's get into that. So the 5 sources, you're going to have to do some research on your topic. This is the topic that you and your partner choose. So you and your partner are going to start researching that topic, and each of you is going to write an annotated bibliography. So that means that even though you're doing the argument essay by yourself, you're actually going to be doing the annotated bibliography. Even though you're going to be doing the argument together with your partner, you're going to be doing the annotated bibliography each by yourself. So you're each going to get 5 sources and each 5 citations and each 5 summaries. So on your argument topic, so that's whatever topic you chose with your partner, make an annotated bibliography, a list of summaries of some of the sources found during your research. By researching and summarizing sources early, you'll have a head start in your project. Follow these guidelines. Okay, so organize like a works cited page, source by source in alphabetical order. Include at least 5 sources. So it's going to be a works cited page, essentially, with 5 sources. And we want full citations for those sources. So we'll have to be using MLA formatting. And actually, MLA formatting is something that I'll talk about in my next posted lecture. We'll be writing a summary and commentary for each source. We'll explain what that article, that source is about, its main argument and supporting evidence. So that's essentially writing a book report, right? We're writing a summary of what we read. So we're reading the article, writing a summary of it. We want to write an evaluation for each source, explain what's good or bad about it, how its arguments succeed or fail, what you disagree with or agree with. So that's an evaluation. So we're going to write a quick summary, a quick evaluation, and then we're going to write a rationale for each source. So what's a rationale? It's going to be how useful it is for your project. So explain how the article relates to your project. Think about how this source addresses the topic you'll be writing about. Think about how these sources contribute to your understanding of that issue. Think about what your overall argument will be. So let's say you're trying to argue for the use of the COVID vaccine or the pros and cons of the COVID vaccine, and you found an article that says that the COVID vaccine has such and such side effects and such benefits. So that will be useful for your project about the COVID vaccine because it gives those side effects, right? Those benefits and those side effects. So that's the rationale. It's defending one of your points in your own article. So that's summary, evaluation, and rationale. Okay, so the next, make each annotation around half a page in length. Use the annotated bibliography chapter for guidance and the doing research section for guidance. Okay, and here's an example of what an annotated bibliography might look like. So you have the citation here, and then you have this below. This below is the summary, evaluation, and rationale. So that's going to be approximately what your annotated bibliography will look like, this right here. And you'll be doing 5 of those for five different sources. All right, so that's the annotated bibliography. So the next thing that I'm going to post, I'm going to give a lecture on MLA formatting. I'm going to talk to you guys about how you should use MLA formatting. This could even help you guys, or really it's MLA citations and guidelines for in-text citations. This will help you guys on your analysis as well. So this is an important one to look at before turning in your analysis. That'll be an important one to look at before turning in your analysis essay. Okay.